Hi, my name is Johanna, and I'm a Reconnect Reentry Navigator. A Reentry Navigator helps justice-impacted individuals get a college education or a credential. A justice-impacted individual is anyone who has been previously incarcerated or has had an interaction with the justice system. Our college navigation services are free, and we want you to go to college and be successful. As your navigator, we will support you all the way through until you graduate. Keep in mind, college is not just a 4-year degree. It can be anything from an 8-week truck driving program, a 1-year welding, maybe a 15-month HVAC, or an associate degree in business. The possibilities are endless. Today, I want to talk to you about how to begin your journey after incarceration. If you are working with a reentry navigator while you're incarcerated, reach out to that navigator when you are ready. If you are not working with a reentry navigator while you are incarcerated, it's not too late. Please go to TNReconnect.gov and select Talk to a Navigator or scan the QR code below. A navigator will be in touch with you shortly after you initiate contact on our website. Next, you and your navigator will discuss the barriers that you have. Is housing an issue? Do you have clothing? How about food? Transportation? These are all things you will need to be successful while you're in college. While Navigate Reconnect does not provide these resources, we do have strong relationships with state and nonprofit agencies who do provide these resources. We will help make a referral to get you connected. After you have your basic needs met, then we can start discussing your college interest. After we have an idea of what you're interested in, then we will select the college program that's going to be best for you based on your interest and location. After that, we will begin the admission process by helping you with the school application and the financial aid application. We even help with retrieving transcripts. We will help guide you on scheduling your placement tests if necessary, and we'll help you determine additional scholarships and grants that you might be eligible for. Once you've enrolled in college, we will continue to support, guide, and encourage you until you graduate. We even send important email reminders to let you know when it's time to resubmit financial aid or other important school-related notices. As reentry navigators, we truly understand the difficulty that you face coming out of incarceration. We are here to help you overcome those barriers through earning a college degree, which will help reduce the likelihood of being reincarcerated and is essential to your future and being able to be self-sufficient and provide not just for yourself, but your family too. Remember, to connect with a navigator to help you with your college journey, just go to TNReconnect.gov and click on Talk to a Navigator. Even if you're unsure if you want to go to college or not, reach out to us. Let us help you make an informed decision.